I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to fix the problem when there's no sound coming out of your Samsung Smart TV. Now here are a few things you can check to try and fix that issue. So first, you want to check the sound output device. So just go to your settings. Let's go to all settings and then go to sound, select that, and the first thing you should see there is sound output. So select that and take note of which device is being used to output the sound from the TV. You might have connected AirPods like me, and maybe they could be the ones that are active currently. You can tell the ones that are active because it's going to have that little graphic, that little green graphic right there. Okay, so currently my TV speakers are active. It might be that your AirPods could be set to be the active ones, or any other kind of Bluetooth headphones. So you might want to check that first. To get the sound out of your TV speakers, make sure TV speaker is the one selected and the one with the graphic. Now you might also want to check at the back of your TV. You might have something like a sound bar connected through the optical cable. So just check on that and make sure sound is not being transmitted through that. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. Next, you want to go back to the sound settings and check sound mode. So just go down to sound mode, and sound mode should be standard by default. It might have changed to something else like adaptive sound or amplifier, which might be causing some problems. So make sure you set it to standard and just listen if you get some sound out of your TV. Also, you might want to go to export settings and check things like balance. See, this is meant to balance the sound between the left and the right sides of the TV, or the left and right speakers. So the best thing to do here is to come and reset to set it back to default and listen if you have any sound output. Now, the other thing you can do in case all that does not help you to get sound out of your TV, you might want to unplug your TV from the wall socket. So when the TV is still on, pull it out of the wall socket and give it about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then plug it back in. That should switch on the TV automatically and perform a soft reset. Basically, it's not going to clear all your data, but it's going to basically just clear all the cache on your TV and maybe fix the problem that's causing your sound not to come out. The other thing you can do in case all that doesn't help solve your problem is to reset all the sound settings. So again, in the settings, all settings, sound, go to export settings, scroll all the way down until you see reset sound, select that and then confirm, and that's going to reset all your sound settings. Now, at least one of those solutions should fix your problem. If not, you might want to check with your TV's warranty, maybe take it back for them to have a look, because it could be a hardware issue. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.